Hi Pepsters, I'm Rachel Tiazon and you're watching Pep special coverage of Cheese and Heart's wedding. So yan, it's the 14th of February and we're here na in Balistines. We're staying here at Saint-Tropez Villa. Ayan, that's our villa right there. And it's already 4:30 afternoon. So medyo binigyan kami ng konting time to rest para bago mamaya magpunta kami sa party ni Heart kasi birthday niya today. So yun na, syempre, usually bibila na mga, I think mga 2:30, around 2:30 ako dumating dito sa island. And ang dami naman nakita guests, andito sila Solen, si Kyla, si Sarah Christophers, of course, nauna na siya dito 2 days before pa. And then, nandito rin si Mark Escueta and her wife, and his wife, Janina Magdangal, with their son. So, yan, mamaya-maya namin sa Royal Villa where the party is gonna be held. Wala naman natin kasi may mga celebrities na natin. Ayan, samahan nyo lang kami.
It's the start of a new journey. I mean, you're 30. I haven't said that enough tonight. You're a mother tomorrow. You're a wife tomorrow, and you'll only. I'm sure you're gonna be great because you always prioritize everyone. Sometimes you forget to prioritize yourself. So please do that, and we love you very much.
Anyway, kami po ni Heart, we got close with all the teleseries that we did. And I just feel so blessed, Heart, that you see me as maybe another mom. And ang tingin ko sa iyo talaga, anak. I am very, very happy for you. If there's anything I want to say, I'm very proud of the person that you are. You've come out of your comfort zone. And you've grown so much. If there's any advice that I will give to you and Senator Cheese, it's just to love each other every day, to take it a day at a time. When hard time comes, just remember why you are together. Be humble towards each other and humble, of course, before God. And just know, Heart, that I'm always here for you. You know how much I love you. So I will be here for you and Senator Cheese. Happy birthday, Heart.
Being the eldest guy relative we have here in Balistines now, if ever you need someone to walk you tomorrow, I'll be gladly to represent you. Alright? If ever you need someone, I just tell you, happy birthday.
You can look at your mom.
Sing a love song, Cheese.
Chorus lang.